ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Komshibenta ka jing itho ya usanyang ubanhay bakilano asya usup utiar jang ka puli puthi ka sarkar jilla lingba ka tanat puli puthi ka Pynkup Burom daga state award ya ki khat Ngut ki Nonghikai jang ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka Jingrakhe ya ka sngi Burom jang ki Nonghikai ka balalong ha ka Henry Trik ubnai nailor arajar arpuway ha ka ba menteri jang ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla uba la kemen rumbui ulalong ko mukongsan Kini ki khat Ngut ki Nonghikai ki bala Shah Pynkup Burom kini ka sngi kilong ka vice principal jong ka Laban Assamese Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong ka kong T Swear u head teacher jong ka Right Ringi Government Lower Primary School Yoring Heb uba LS Emle ka head teacher jong ka Khle Mauli Government Lower Primary School Nongstony ka kong M Kharsenteo u head teacher jong ka Nong Melam Government Lower Primary School Maukarwat uba J Khars Emle ka vice principal jong ka Jowai Public School ka kong B Lingdo ka assistant teacher jong ka Tulu Secondary School Cleariat ka kong MB Khar u assistant teacher jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo u M Singh u assistant teacher jong ka Bulking Grade Deficit Upper Primary School William Nagar u AS Marak u principal jong ka Bajeng Doba Higher Secondary School Rusubel Para u FK Sangma ka assistant teacher jong ka Dading Gre Puri Government Lower Government Higher Secondary School Tura ka LCH Marak u assistant teacher jong ka Rongkhon Government Lower Primary School Tura u HM Sangma u principal jong ka Garo Badaha Higher Secondary School Ampati u BA Sangma but u headmaster jong ka Kapasi Para Deficit Upper Primary School Bakmara u Shri SC Mara Kan bagi Nonghikai ki bala Shah Pynkup Burom daga District Award kilong ka assistant teacher jong ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong ha ka secondary section ka kong LGSM u headmaster jong ka Nongringko Presbyterian Upper Primary School Nongringko ha ka Kardan Upper Primary Section uba Ikshiar but ka head teacher jong ka Chera Presbyterian Lower Primary School Nong Saulia Sora ha ka Kardan Lower Primary Section ka kong AV Warjeri Nalor kini kila samru ika khusnam bakarpang neka special award inclusive school Shah ki Nonghikai jong ka Jyoti Sorat School Shillong kong ME Kongwer Kad baya ka khusnam best scout master Pynkup Burom ya US Chetri ubadai Nonghikai jong ka Gorkha Patshala Higher Secondary School Shillong Kad baya ka khusnam best guide captain Pynkup Burom ya ka kong A Sotun kabadai ka Nonghikai jong ka Laj Umkra Assamese Secondary School Shillong Hagani ka sngi katrat puli puthi ka Pynkup Burom ru ki school lingba ka Meghalaya School Improvement Program ki bala phia ha ki live benta ya ka khusnam ka bayadai bat ki implementation of school improvement plan la aisha ka Umroi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Ribhoi District ka Garo Union Higher Secondary School West Garo Hills District bat ya ka Maungap District Christian Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ka Bahap Hapo ka East Khasi Hills District Ya ka khusnam na kabanta ka Best Performance District Resource Groups la Aisha ka East Khasi Hills District, ka West Jentia Hills District, but ka West Garo Hills District. Shashoy ka khusnam na kabanta ka Best Innovative Measures for Continuous Learning ha ka por balawan linshap ka jingpang klam COVID-19 la Aisha ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Ribhoi District, siya ka St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School West Garo Hills District, but siya ka Holy Cross Higher Secondary School Maukanreo East Khasi Hills District. Ki officer ki bala sakhilang hagani gasngi gilong ba arap thap ubade secretary jong katanat puli puthi nang tade u Ambrose CH Marak ubade director jong ka School Education and Literacy Meghalaya lembat kiway
Education Department through MSIP that they are trying to recognize the schools, trying to recognize the person who are innovative, to see that how to benefit the student more. And coming back to the uncertainty of education sector, I know it is a very challenging. is the road ahead. We know that our students have lost so much because holistic development of the children does not depend only upon giving notes, dictate, and doing exam. The loss of students this time, in these 2 years, 1.5 years, is more on emotional intelligence, which the role of teachers, how to mold them so that they could cope with this loss is very important. The loss of students in this knowledge progress, there is a loss of students in their educational knowledge. So these three things, which teaching only online will not suffice. We need to return to classroom teaching. We know the difficulties. We know the parents that they are not yet confident enough. Many told that when the children have not been vaccinated, how we will start school. But as a government, we have to find ways and means how to resolve the issues. And as I used to say, that education is a very dynamic, and the department itself have to work to innovate itself, how it is working, to see that the policy of the government, to see that new teaching method reach the teachers so that they could disseminate it to the student. And if, remember this word, if online teaching is a substitute to classroom teaching, there will be a loss of job. Because it is very easy for the government to set up a studio in Shillong, hire only 20, 30 or 100 teachers. And we didn't need a classroom also. We needed more teachers. And a college or a school, as St. Anthony's College say now, they could accommodate 2,000 students. Online they accommodate 20,000. So there will be a loss somewhere. But more importantly, it's not a question of loss. I come back to the words which I use. The loss of holistic development of the children. Because the children need to react to the situation. At home, how we will react? So I'm very happy that most of the teachers have been vaccinated. And as the department has issued the order, that those who have not vaccinated, every 10 days they have to submit their RT-PCR negative report. So that the classroom teaching is safe. It is not yet over, and we don't know when this difficult period will end. As I said, nobody prepared for it. But again, I appreciate all the teaching community, how they cook themselves, how they equip themselves to reach out to their students. I know it's not a very easy job. transforming from classroom teaching to online teaching. I know it is not a very easy task for the teachers to perform this task. But as Madhav Singh just mentioned, that teachers are prepared to accept the challenges. To be a successful teachers, we have to prepare for that. And I'm very happy that student committee also trying to cope with this in these trying times. I know in teaching sector there are many challenges, there are many difficulties, there are many bottlenecks which it is very difficult for the teachers to perform their duties. I know there is many difficulties. Sometimes teachers lost interest due to the disparity of salary and also due to the sometimes untimely release of salary. This challenge is not new, and this challenge will not go away very soon. But as a government, it is our endeavor to see step by step what needs to be done and how to improve or the quality of education, how to improve the working condition of our teachers, and how to improve the environment where students study.